Andrea Bouget from Aromahead Institute, and in this video I want to show you how to make an inhaler for sinus headaches. I actually called it minus the sinus headache inhaler, and it is a great blend of oils to help clear congestion so that you can relieve sinus headaches. So it's the kind of headache that is really particular to sinus congestion, to infection. If you have a cold or a flu and it's really tight and stuck in here and the result is a headache, this inhaler, you're gonna wanna have it with you all the time. So great. So I have a beautiful purple inhaler with me, and it's got a cover and the inhaler part. And then I've got a nice organic wick, cotton wick, and I'm gonna just pop that right in there. And we're gonna be using Pinion Pine today. And I love Pinion Pine for headaches. Like all the conifer oils, the pines, the spruces, the firs, it will clear congestion, it will open up your sinuses, it will reduce infection, and therefore help calm a headache. What's special about Pinion Pine is that it is fruitier. The aroma is fruitier than any of the other conifers, and I love that. And it blends so beautifully with hemlock, which is one of the other pine or conifers that we're going to be using in this video. So I just love that smell. We're going to put 8 drops of Pinion Pine into this inhaler. And if you've never been around a Pinion Pine tree, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I thought I could count and talk at the same time. I guess not. If you've never been around these trees before, I hadn't until I went out to New Mexico. I highly recommend anytime you're somewhere in the Southwest where there's Pinion Pine trees, go check them out. They're beautiful, and they are just so, they give us so much. They give us Pinion Pine nuts, they give us the essential oil, they're beautiful in the environment. Make sure you check them out. Okay, then we're gonna put in 2 drops of hemlock. And the combination of the drops of Pinion Pine and the drops of hemlock, it's beautiful together, the 8-to-2 ratio. It works really, really well. And the hemlock aroma is more sort of traditional piney, and it's fresh, and you just feel like you're outside in a pine forest. And so the 2 drops of hemlock, that combination is going to completely open up your breathing. Okay, and then we're going to add 5 drops of this beautiful oil called Kunzea. And it just opens up your sinuses. And I'm going to read you a story about Kunzea from my book in a second. My book's called The Heart of Aromatherapy. This is a recipe from the book. So we'll put in 5 drops. 4, 5, okay. And we'll go ahead and put the cap on and push it hard so it snaps like that. And then you can just use your inhaler to just clear your head and calm any tension in your head. If you have a headache, any tension will be released, and I think you'll feel so much better. You'll be breathing better, you'll feel calmer, and you'll feel like your sinuses are open. It's great. All right, so let me just tell you a little bit about Kunzea, because not everybody's familiar with Kunzea. It's a little bit of a less known essential oil. So this is called Kunzea's Magic. I'm just gonna read you a couple paragraphs. Kunzea has a lot in common with eucalyptus and the conifer oils in that it is excellent for respiratory support, reducing infection, soothing sore muscles, relieving headaches. It combines the best of both worlds into a single oil. Kunzea is from Australia, and like eucalyptus and rosalina, also from Australia, it's a strong oil for reducing inflammation and congestion. Its aroma has a medicinal note to it. It's also comforting and soft. Blend Kunzea with bright penetrating eucalyptus and rosemary, and it will help soften its edges. So we did also soften its edges by blending it with beautiful Pinion Pine and hemlock in order to create this great headache oil inhaler. All right, so I hope that you enjoy using it, and I hope that it right away relieves any headache you might have. All right, take care. See you soon in another video. Bye for now.